Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to format the line and paragraph spacing in Google Drawings. Because Google Drawings allow you to have multiple text boxes and elements that can contain text, you have to select which text you want to format first. This is a text box. I can do this by either selecting the text box or selecting the text within the text box. Once I have it identified, I can go to Format, Line and Paragraph Spacing. The default spacing is single spacing. I can up that a little to 1.15, 1.5, or double spacing, just so you see what that looks like. That text box now has it set where text will be double spaced. I can also add space before a paragraph, after a paragraph. If there were multiple paragraphs in this text box, there isn't. Or I can set custom spacing. So right now it's set to 2. I could set that to 1.57 if I wanted to. And I could adjust the paragraph spacing before and after different paragraphs in a text box to get a more custom look to the text in my Google Drawing. So that's how you adjust the line and paragraph spacing in a Google Drawing.